Welcome to the Weather Centre on Thursday, where we can expect a mostly cloudy day with thundershowers for the Eastern Cape. We're also expecting thundershowers over the northeastern and eastern interior, with a dry forecast over the far northeastern part of South Africa, as well as along the east coast. It'll be another sizzling hot and sunny day for the Northern Cape, with the possibility of evening rain along the south coast of the Western Cape, and that's due to a weak cold front. The South African Weather Service have issued a warning for a high fire danger rating on Thursday, with the runaway fires possible in the shade of red. They've also issued a watch for the possibility of severe thunderstorms with potentially large hail and damaging wind in the shade of amber. Then lastly, the special weather advisory for heat wave conditions continues, with very hot weather forecast over parts of the Northern Cape, the Free State and the Northwest. Here's our rainfall probability map, with scattered thundershowers along the Eastern Cape coast as well as for the adjacent lying interior, with isolated thundershowers for the Free State, the Northwest and the eastern part of the Northern Cape, with a slight possibility of thundershowers for Gauteng, and then you'll see that evening rain along the south coast of the Western Cape, with a very small chance of rainfall in Cape Town in the evening. We're forecasting warm weather for Cape Town and East London, both at 27 degrees. We head into the mid-20s for George and Port Elizabeth, 42 for Uppington, 40 degrees for Kimberley, and still in the mid-30s for Mahikeng and Pretoria, 31 for Johannesburg and Bethlehem, and a hot day for Pietermaritzburg at 34 degrees. Now in Cape Town today, the State of the Nation address will remain dry for the majority of the day, other than a very small chance of light rainfall late in the evening. A maximum of 27 is forecast, with a fresh southeasterly wind expected in the afternoon. Along the west coast, good beach conditions are expected for Namakoland and Lambert's Bay due to moderate wind speeds. Fresh winds are forecast for Langebaan and Alexander Bay, and along the west coast we'll see a 2-metre southwesterly swell. In the southwest, we're expecting fresh winds on Thursday, with a southeasterly wind from the Cape Town Atlantic side all the way through to Cape Agulhas. In the southwest, we're expecting a 2-metre southwesterly swell with a wave period of 14 seconds. Along the south coast, good beach conditions are expected for Thursday, and that's mainly between Mossel Bay and Jeffreys Bay, with fresh winds in the forecast for Port Elizabeth. Mostly southeasterly winds are expected here, with a 1.5-metre southerly swell and wave heights between 2 and 3 feet. Along the east coast, good beach conditions are expected for KwaZulu-Natal, with the possibility of thundershowers for the Wild Coast and East London. An easterly wind is expected for East London, with more of a northeasterly wind as we head along the east coast. And here we're expecting a small swell of only 1 metre from the east, with a swell period of around 9 seconds. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great Thursday.